Changing towards a happy house. HTP. It is a hot water storage type boiler featuring a heat exchanger with high-pin technology for residential homes. It is a floor standing type equipped with direct vent and power ignition system. Certified with ETL and Acquired Energy Star label and ASME, it is an eco-friendly product with low nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide emissions. By using stainless steel material for the heat exchanger, it is upgraded to have even more durability. It consists of a combustion gas exhaust, a ceramic burner, a main control, heat exchanger, mixing valve, a domestic hot water recirculation pump, an air intake, a BLDC turbo fan, a gas leak detector, an air ratio gas valve, a central heating recirculation pump, an indirect storage tank, and a condensate trap. Applying with ceramic fiber, it minimizes nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide emissions. Other main parts are flame detector, an ignition trans, a flow sensor, a mixing valve, a condensate trap, air pressure switch, a recirculation pump, and an adapter. They are designated to be placed at optimal positions, and inner pipes and hoses are connected based on their assembled positions. Push the power button to operate the boiler. A blower is operating and the gas valve is open to mix gas with inhaled air. The mixed air and gas enters inside the burner. At this time, the entered mixed air and gas and the flame created on the igniter meet to be ignited. Heat is exchanged between heat of vaporization and cold water inside the heat exchanger during ignited status. The inner circulation pump operates. After heat is exchanged from the domestic hot water heat exchanger, the cold heated water circulates again to the main heat exchanger. The heating circulation pump operates and heated hot water moves via the heating pipe to the radiator for heating. After heat is exchanged, the heated water returns to the primary heat exchanger for heat exchange. While a consumer uses domestic hot water during central heating is temporarily stopped. Preheated hot water from the heat exchanger is supplied via the hot water pipe to the consumer. When the consumer uses domestic hot water, direct city water would enter into the heat exchanger, which is detected by the flow sensor. Direct city water after heat exchange inside the domestic hot water heat exchanger moves to the primary heat exchanger. The cold water is again heat exchanged to become hot heated water by the burner from the ignited main heat exchanger. Hot heated water after heat exchange moves to the domestic hot water heat exchanger. Domestic hot water is created after heat exchange between hot heated water outside the coil and cold water inside the coil. The domestic hot water passed through the heat exchange is supplied via the domestic hot water pipe to the faucet. Thus, customers can use water on appropriate and stable temperature as they desire. Stay with the ultra-efficient HTP boiler featuring a world-class technology of burning in reverse. HTP.